Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey sis, welcome. My name is Favour, Dike, Kaduna-based makeup artist. Please do join the family by subscribing to the channel. Thank you. So today we're going to be doing a very detailed smoky eye tutorial, and yeah, I'm having a very terrible sore throat, so hence the sound of my voice. So this video is just going to be very chilled. I'm going to allow you guys just watch the process. It's the same thing I did for all my previous videos. Watch the process, and when we get to the eyeshadow tutorial, then I'll speak up on it and explain in detail, because my voice is a mess right now. Like, I'm in so much pain, I can't even swallow. So yeah, please do bear with me. A video just had to go up this week, and I didn't want to start giving excuses not to upload. So here goes the video. So yeah, when you talk about smoky eye, I just want to let you guys know that smoky eye does not always have to be a black color. You can have a brown smoky eye, you can have a red smoky eye. It could be any color, but like smoky. It doesn't always have to be black. And yeah, if you want your smoky eye to come out well pigmented and just very pronounced, you need to first of all go in with like a cream base to help your color, to enhance your color basically. So even if I was doing like a brown smoky eye, I will need to go in with like a brown kind of base, like a brown base, before I put my brown eyeshadow on it. So the same technique applies to the black smoky eye. So I went in with my black gel liner to create a base for my eyeshadow to lay on. So I blended that out, and also blending is very key when it comes to smoky eyes. You need to learn how to blend very well to avoid harsh lines. So I blended out my eyeshadow, and here I'm going in with the matte. So see how the eyeshadow just laid on the eyes, like it's well pigmented. If I had used only this eyeshadow, you guys won't have seen the color, and there's very high probability that the color won't last throughout the day. But because I use this base, like I'm 100% assured that her eyeshadow is going to be in place till she decides to take her makeup off. So now I'm going in with a brown eyeshadow. Sorry for the shake. I'm going in with a brown eyeshadow to transition the outer part of the eyeshadow, just so that it's not going to be like black all through. You need to transition it to the brow bones. So that's what I'm doing. I started off with brown and then went in with a red color, just to transition it basically. So you have black, then you move to brown, then red. When you blend it in, when you blend them together, you see that the effect it gives you is just, you won't see where the brown stops, you won't see where the black eyeshadow stops. Like it's just going to move smoothly basically to the brow bone, which is what I'm trying to do now. I'm just trying to pigment transition everything properly, make sure my blending is well neat and everything. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. Please do pardon me, I know this is not the best, just pardon this video, I beg you guys. Do like, comment and subscribe. Also share these videos with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.